Hello, my name's Jordan and I run Our Sensory Kids. I've been very kindly asked by Sam from Explore Your Senses to review and have a look at some of their exploration bags, to see what I think and to see how I'd use them. I'm going to show you the sound and movement bag. Should we have a look at what's inside? I haven't seen something like this before. It's beautifully wooden. It's got a speaker on the bottom. It twists and it spins. It's a music maker. A bobbly music maker. Oh, I know lots of sensory children in my classroom that would love this. Great for communication too. You can get your children to say, ready, steady, go, or to sign more. And then you could let it play again. Stop. More. More. That's so motivating. And actually, the sound is quite relaxing too. What else have we got in the bag? An ocean drum. Listen. There are metal beads in this drum to help make the sound of an ocean. These are great for making ocean sounds as part of a sensory story, or when you're exploring the sounds of the ocean. Children can make the sounds of the waves. We have a hello tube or a sound hose. You can talk to yourself and you sound really loud. You can also do this to make a high-pitched sound. Can you hear it? How fun is that? Oh, I love our one of these. It's a sensory light, but you can change the patterns of the lights by moving these wires around. Ready? It makes it a little bit less fragile too, because there's not a plastic dome on top ready to get smashed, like this one. I haven't had one with music like this before. It's also got a lovely vibration to it. It really helps children that struggle to know where their hands are to keep a hold of it. However, some children like to throw these and they're very fragile. I've seen some people put them in clear plastic boxes with lids and they can use them that way. That way if they're thrown, they don't break. But you can still enjoy the sound and the patterns. We've got two clappers. These make such a good sound and they're easy to make the sound too. So sometimes children that struggle to use their fine motor skills to make sounds using instruments can use these really easily. They are also great for children that like to flap in front of their eyes. We've got a Bumble Ball. Are you ready? This one not only vibrates, it flashes and laughs too. I know lots of children that find these hilarious and very, very motivating. We have a music box. It's Canon. This is another one that will help you encourage your children to communicate. They can give you eye contact or sign more for more. 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 Or fast and slow. As part of the early years curriculum, children have to know how to make an instrument go fast or slow and to know the difference. This could help you. Fast. Slow. Really fun. We've also got these animal sound balls. They flash and make the animal sounds. I think these are great fun. We have a wiggly jiggler, ready to hear it laugh. Great fun. We have a little farmyard animal button. It's little, but it makes a lot of sound. These are great to help children who might not be able to vocalise the animal sounds. Join in with a sensory story or Old MacDonald's farm song. Last of all, we have my favourite items. You can record whatever you want on these sound buttons. Ready?
Hello, what are you doing today?
It works like this. You switch the button from behind to record. Hello, I'm Jordan from Our Sensory Kids. And then press play. Ready?
Hello, I'm Jordan from Our Sensory Kids.
How fun is that? It might help children find their voice who can't usually use words to communicate. You could have it as yes and no buttons to answer questions, or happy, sad to tell you if something's wrong. What a great bag to explore sound and movement. I hope you find that information useful. You can find more from me on my social media accounts, all Our Sensory Kids. See you there. Bye.